new Scout 101 and the new Scout Classic. No? And just to, hype it up a little, if you see, it's totally different. No? You see, yung Scout 101 natin, it has the touchscreen dash already. It has an adjustable suspension, a ghost white colorway is what they call it, diba? And it has gold ports and rear ports. Hindi pa siya Collins, but it's adjustable already. It's Indian branded, no? And you can see naman sa Scout Classic natin, the color is different na rin. It's chromed out, the wheels chromed out, and it's full LED. You see the center of the tank is different na rin. And it has cruise control na. So the Scouts before, they don't have cruise control. And just to get a little bit more information about this, si Zach, he went to Illinois to try the Scout 101. So,
You're a sport rider, kung galing ka, like what I said, kung galing ka Ducati, at you wanna venture into something like a cruiser, magandang transition ito kasi they really build it that way. So compared to the regular Scout, iba talaga siya, iba yung base mo sa kanto, so usually the tantos corner better. Acceleration is also quite different, pwede yung more nila. So, mga ganun. And it was quite a hype when I got there. A lot of the customers were, pila sila dun eh. With the 101, because it's yung value niya. So, yeah.
So it's more of a Scout na, kasi when you say cruiser bike, diba, it's more of like, you don't really go that fast. But this one is more of like a sporty cruiser.
Yes, I would say that would be an accurate description. So ano siya, basta tricked out Scout, that's what it is. It's really tricked out.
When I saw your review, the bike is really unique. No? We were looking for a cruiser, pero dalawa lang kami pili ako. So, maganda talaga siya. But it's really, really nice. But I think the tech is just an add-on to how it looks like.
Ako naman, I've been a rider for 20 years na. Nabutak mo pa na baka si Rally nun.
Kabayan mo pa naman, sir.
Way back, way back 2006. Dito pa sa Access Plus yung Ducati. So, ang mga first bikes ko, sport bikes, mga 749, nag-monster ako, nag-multi ako. And then, first time kong gagamit ng cruiser. Sabi kasi nga ni Rally, iba daw yung ride, saka yung experience. So, parang lifestyle bike ba? Sabi sa body mo. So,
Pag-subunin talaga nila. Is 1.145, and you wouldn't believe it, but the Scout Classic is more expensive at 1.190. 1.190. 45K more yung